Right, we've got an equation of a line question here. Now it says we need to, on the grid, draw the graph of y equals minus 2x plus 4 for the values of x between 1 to 5. Now, minus 1 to 5 I should say. Now you could do a table up here where it would look something like this, x and y, and that goes minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 4, 5. Okay, and put those values into the equation and work out the y coordinates. That's absolutely fine. You can do that. I'm not going to do that because I know that we can do y equals mx plus c, and I've got y equals minus 2x plus 4, and I know the plus 4 is where it cuts the y-axis, so it's going to cut there, and then the rise over the run, the gradient is minus 2, so every one I go along I go 2 down, 1 along, 2 down, and there you go, I'm creating my line. Okay, there we go. Now I'm not very good at drawing straight lines on this, so I can only apologise. Oh, hang on. No, it's gone all a little bit pear-shaped, but that will do, okay, you get the idea. So that's the first one, that gives me 4 marks. However you do it, you'll get 4 marks. So I've done this one here, I've drawn that line in red. This line I'm going to draw in blue, and it says y equals minus 4. So forget that there's an inequality sign now, I'm going to do y equals, minus 4, not 4. Okay, y equals minus 4 is a line goes straight along there. Right, all the point. That's a very good straight line. I'm very impressed by that. Anyway, basically, all the y coordinates on that line are minus 4. It doesn't matter what the x coordinate is. The y coordinate is always minus 4. Hence, it gets its name. Now, this one I'm going to draw the x equals 1 line. Okay, all the x coordinates on that are 1. So it needs to go up through there. Oh, that's not quite as good, but there you go. That will do. Now the key to this is working out which bit you've got to label R. Okay, so I've got to label below the red line. So I've got to label this side of the red line because it's less than. I've got to label above the blue line. Okay, and I've got to label above the green line. Now then, you'll probably get, it's pretty obvious that you've got to label this whole, the bit here, okay, R. Alright, it becomes fairly obvious, it normally creates shape, but just be a little bit careful. Alright, a less than sign is below the line, and a greater than sign is above the line. If it's not equal to as well, and they usually are nowadays, right, you could have dotted lines, okay, but that doesn't happen too often now.